I'm Chebet Asha from Bukedea District, Kamtur Sub-County, Tajar Parish, Amagoro Village. Before joining Gudie Leisure Farm, I was just at home. I chose to come because actually I saw like myself there's nothing I was doing, so I said let me go there, and over I will also get some knowledge to earn a living. I got to know the Gudie Leisure Farm through my parish chief and the LOC one. Since I came here, I see now like I'm changed. Yes, because I've seen many things that I've never seen. Even the knowledge that I saw that I would never get it, but now I know it. So I can, even if I'm going out to my village, I'm ready to do everything that I've learned from here. I'm in Feedmill Industry. And in Feedmill Industry, I've learned the feed processing, about these equipments used in feed processing. And we have maize thresher, hammer mill, feed mixture. We have the sorting rack, pelletizer, and the extruder. I know to use the maize thresher. Maize thresher is the one we remove the maize seed coat. The mixture, the one after we getting all the seeds, after we mixing all, we mix it using the feed mixer. Extruder for making the feeds for fish. Sorting rack is that is the rack we use for removing the things, the rubbish, those ones. The feeds we make it starter feeds. We have the feeds for poultry, pigs, and fish. Apart from feed mill, I've learned creativity. Yeah, I can now make it. Then I can necklace for myself, the head, this thing for the head. I can make a bangle, even a pad. And even apart from that, I've also learned some tips on computer, how to open a computer to make a folder. When I go back to my village, my parish, I'll make sure that the 100 ladies I wrote, I will collect them and I teach them how the world is going, so that they will also depend on themselves, not depending on others. So I should teach them about creativity, how to make these other smaller things, the bangles, the necks, so that they will be selling. They also earn a living.